Hi there! In this video, we'll talk about what to do if your Slimrate tablet loses its internet connection. I'll walk you through each step so you can fix the problem, even if you're not a tech expert. Step 1. Check the internet on your tablet. First, look at the indicator in the bottom right corner of the screen. If it's red, that means there's no internet. To find out why, swipe down from the top of your tablet screen. You'll see icons for Wi-Fi or Ethernet, that's the network cable. If your tablet is connected by cable, don't touch the Wi-Fi button. Just carefully unplug the cable from the tablet and plug it back in. If there's still no internet, go to step 2. If you're connected by Wi-Fi, minimize the Slimrate POS app. Open your tablet settings. Select the top option, Network and Internet. Next to Wi-Fi, turn the switch on so it turns blue. Step 1 is done. If you still don't have internet, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Check your router. Look at your router and pay attention to the indicator lights. The power light should always be on. This means your router is plugged in and getting power. The WLAN or Wi-Fi light should be on or blinking. This shows the wireless network is working. The internet light should be on if your router is connected to the internet. LAN lights are for devices connected by cable. These should also be on or blinking. If all the lights look normal but you still don't have internet, keep going. Step 3. Let's look at the router's indicators. If the power light is off, check that the power adapter is plugged in properly and that the outlet works. If the internet or LAN lights are off, make sure all cables are securely connected to the router and your tablet. If the internet light is red, try restarting your router. Unplug it from the outlet, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. If you still don't have internet after all these steps, go to the last step. Step 4. Contact your internet provider. If you've checked everything and there's still no internet, the problem is probably on your provider side. Call your internet provider support team. Tell them your internet isn't working and describe which lights are on your router. They'll help you figure out what to do next or fix the issue on their end. I hope these steps helped you get your internet back. But if you have internet issues too often, try our Slimrate router and forget about connection problems. With our router, your business is always online, even if your main internet goes down. The device will automatically switch you to a backup channel, so all your systems keep working with no interruptions. No more downtime, no manual resets, and no lost customers.